Now let's find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A32, B11, 8 and C8, 12. Alright, here to find the area of this we have two methods. I told you already. First one we have discussed in the previous video, and the second one I haven't. That's a shortcut, so try to see the entire video. Alright, let me write here our triangle. Suppose this is our triangle, okay, and this is A, which is 3, 2, and this is B, which is 11, 8, and this is C, which is 8, 12. Okay, so let me suppose, I'm just supposing this is our x1, y1, and this will be working as a x2, y2, and I suppose this is working as a x3, y3. So to find the area of the triangle, I had told you we can use simply the formula of the triangle. All right, so area of the triangle ABC. If you know the formula, just write here the formula, but if you don't know, then still we have a trick. I had told you. All right, always we need to follow 1 2 3 ratio, 1 2 3, and after that 2 3 1, and then 1 2, now the 3 1 2. All right, always 1 2 3 2 3 1 and then 3 1 2, just we have this way. Now this is representing x and this is representing y, this. Okay, so first one, when x is 1, right, when x is 1, y will be y2 minus y3, so it will be y2 minus y3, and plus again when x will be 2, y will be y3 minus y1. All right, so when x will be 2, it will be y3 minus y1. Okay, and now when x will be 3, y will be y1 minus y2. All right, so when x will be 3, it will be y1 minus y2. All right, it's a little space. Okay, I hope you understand this. All right, so now let's put all the values. So 1 by 2. So here we have already supposed x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So when x1, what is our x1? That is 3. So when it is 3, another will be y2 minus y3, that is 8 minus 12. All right, 8 minus 12. And then when x2, so our x2 is here 11. All right, so 11, then it will be y3 minus y1. So what is our y3? y3 is 12. y3 minus y1, that is 2, so it will be 12 minus 2. And then x3, so what is our x3? x3 is our 8. So when it is 8, it will be y1 minus y2. Our y1 is 2 and y2 is 8, so it will be 2 minus 8. All right, so now 1 by 2, now 3 times this 8 minus 12, that's minus 4, and this is 11, and then 12 minus 2, that is 10, and this is 8, and then 2 minus 8, that is minus 6. So 1 by 2, all right, 3 minus 4, that's minus 12, and then it is 110, and it's 8 6 are minus 48, it will be, all right, minus 48. So now minus 48 and minus 12, minus 60 and 110, so it will be 50. So all right, 1 by 2 times 50. So it's absolute sign. All right, whether it is negative or positive, always we will be writing positive, because area of the triangle will be always and always positive. So 2 times 25, so 25 unit square is the area of the triangle. All right, this is how we need to find out by using formula. And but another method I'm going to do, see, another method is very easy. I'm going to just tell you here. Area of triangle, suppose delta area, this triangle is representing area of the triangle, then write like this: x1 y1, x2 y2, and then x3 y3. This is your all, right? And again repeat this last part one more time here. Okay, this is not the first part, I'm sorry. All right, x1 y1, and after that we have a formula. The triangle's formula is 1 by 2 southeast minus southwest. All right, this is the formula. So what is southeast and southwest? I'm making arrows. Some see, I'm making south like in a north, like see here, this is representing north, south, this is east and this is west. So I'm making southeast arrows, like these all are southeast arrows. All right, so first the area is 1 by 2. All right, so it will be now x1 y2 plus, in the bracket you can take, and then x2, all right, y3, and then x3 y1. I took x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1. Alright, and then minus. Now we deal with this southeast. Now let's deal with southwest. Southwest means this part. Alright, so this one, all with a green color. So it will be now x2 y1. Alright, x2 y1, and then plus x3 y2, x3 y2, and then plus x1 y3, x1 y3. Alright, this is another method I was talking about. If you do practice, this will be really very easier. Alright, so let me do with this method. So 1 by 2, first I'm going to represent in the same way. Alright, so what is my x1 y1, x2 y2, all I'm going to write. Alright, so what's my first x1 y1? That's 3 2, and then it's 11 8, and then we have 8 12, and I said one more time I need to repeat this first one. That's 3 2. Okay, so now see how easy it's gonna be. 1 by 2, first I'm gonna do all the southeast. Alright, this one. So now see, first 3 into 8, 3 into 8 plus 11 into 12, 11 into 12, and then 8 into 2. Alright, 8 into 2. Alright, and then minus all the southwest, this one. So 11 into 2. Alright, 11 into 2, and then plus this 8 into 8. Alright, 8 into 8, and then plus this 3 into 12, 3 into 12. Alright, so now let's add. See, 3 times 8, that is 24. 11 times 12, that's gonna be 132, and then 8 into 2, that's gonna be 16, minus now 11 times 2, that is 22. 8 times 8, that is 64, and then 3 times 12, that is 36. Alright, so 1 by 2. Now add this. This is going to be 172, minus, now let's add this part. This is going to be 122. Alright, and 1 by 2, 172 minus 122, that will be 50. Alright, and then 2 times 25. So again here we got that answer 25 unit square. Alright, unit square, because it's area. So this is how we need to solve, using this trick as well as the normal this formula. This is a little bit faster, if you practice better. You need just to practice. Just first write southeast, 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 and then southwest, southwest, southwest. It's going to be very easy. I'll do 1, 2 or more problems, and that will give you more practice and more concept. Alright, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.